Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and those who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. And if you need any kind of additional help, then my contact number is given on the screen. You can contact me. In today's video, I'm going to discuss retail lecture in detail, means what are the changes in the retail lecture from 4th of November and which is the updated template of the retail lecture. So I will share the template with one example so that you can easily get good score in the retail lecture. So first you have to remember these points when you will go to attempt the retail lecture. So first one is the content. So as we already know कि content is contributing 5 points and pronunciation 5 points and fluency is 5 points. But now from 4th of November content is evaluated by AI and then human experts. So this is the dual check, you can say कि first your content part will be evaluated by AI and after that the human experts will check your content part of the retail lecture. Means you can't only use the template, you have to use some content of the speaker. Means the audio you will hear, you have to add the content in your template. You can follow the template, but you can follow only good template so that you can easily choose the good content and you can easily choose ki how you can fit the content in the template. So only the changes are in the content part of the retail lecture, means it's evaluation by AI and after that the human experts. Now pronunciation is important in retail lecture and fluency is also equally important in the retail lecture. So pronunciation will evaluate by the AI only. Human expert will not check your pronunciation and human expert will not check your fluency. So first you have to focus on the pronunciation, then fluency and then content part. Now content part is also equally important to pronunciation and fluency, but first you have to focus on fluency and pronunciation, after that you can follow content. But you can get good score in the fluency if you are using a good content in the template, because if you are choosing the right phrases, if you are choosing a good template, then you can properly fit the content in the template. So the differences, the changes from 4th of November is only the content part. First it will check by the AI and after that the human expert will check your content part. Pronunciation and fluency will only check by the AI. So exam pattern will remain the same and changes are only at the back end. Means I am getting lot of queries from students, even for my students, ki is there any change in the exam pattern. So the exam pattern will remain the same. Means if the student will appear in the exam, then she will not face any kind of change. Means you will go to the center when you will fill your exam, and when you will sit in the center, then you will not face any kind of changes, because the changes are only at the back end. सो ह्यूमन इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो थी वो उससे पहले भी थी जब आपका स्कोर एवेलुएट होता था, बट नाउ दे आर क्लियरली मेंशन कि अब जो ह्यूमन एक्सपर्ट है वो आपका कंटेंट पार्ट चेक करेगा, बट स्टूडेंट के लिए इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है. जैसे आप पहले एग्ज़ाम दे रहे थे आपने वैसे ही एग्ज़ाम देना है. सो वहाँ पे कोई पर्सन की इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होगी, जस्ट आपने जो पेपर देना है वो कंप्यूटर के ऊपर देना है. जो चेंजेस होगी, जो एवेलुएशन में चेंजेस हुए हैं, वो जस्ट बैक एंड पे चेंजेस हुए हैं. सो चेंजेस ये हैं कि यू कैन यूज़ द टेम्पलेट, बट यू हैव टू चूज़ अ गुड टेम्पलेट सो दैट AI कांट सी कि हाँ आप जो टेम्पलेट यूज़ कर रहे हो ये रिपीटेड टेम्पलेट है. सो AI को ना पता चले कि आपने टेम्पलेट किस तरह से यूज़ करा है, क्योंकि पियर्सन ने पहले भी कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दी थी कि यू कैन यूज़ द टेम्पलेट. सो अभी भी ये इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर नहीं है कि आप टेम्पलेट नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज़ टेम्पलेट बट यू हैव टू चूज़ द टेम्पलेट वाइसली. नेक्स्ट, डू नॉट यूज़ कीवर्ड्स. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आपने कीवर्ड्स को यूज़ नहीं करना है इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव अ गुड स्कोर इन द रिटेल लेक्चर, बिकॉज रिटेल लेक्चर इज द टास्क विच इज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इन द स्पीकिंग एज वेल एज इन द लिसनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द PTE. सो आपने कीवर्ड्स को यूज़ नहीं करना, बिकॉज जब आप कीवर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हो तो आपकी फ्लुएंसी नहीं बनती है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कीवर्ड्स यू कैन चूज द फ्रेजेस. नेक्स्ट, ट्राई टू स्पीक एटलीस्ट 30 सेकेंड्स. में मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियोस में भी बताया था कि यू हैव टू स्पीक मोर देन 25 सेकेंड्स एंड लेस देन 30 सेकेंड. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्पीक देन यू कैन ऑल्सो स्पीक 32 सेकेंड, बट डोंट ट्राई टू स्पीक 40 seconds and 20 seconds, because in 20 seconds it will take some time. So it is crucial to check your fluency. So your fluency will get कि जब आप बोल रहे हो 30 सेकेंड्स जब आप बोल लोगे तभी आपकी फ्लुएंसी बनेगी. सो ट्राई टू स्पीक एटलीस्ट 30 सेकेंड्स टू गेट गुड स्कोर. नेक्स्ट, फोकस ऑन योर फ्लुएंसी एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन. सो ये नहीं है कि अगर आपको पता चल गया कि कंटेंट में चेंजेस हो रहे हैं तो आप उसके बाद अपने कंटेंट पे ही फोकस कर रहे हो. आपने फ्लुएंसी और प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे भी फोकस करना है, क्योंकि स्पीकिंग में जो नंबर है वो फ्लुएंसी और प्रोनाउंसिएशन ने देने हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर प्रोनाउंसिंग द वर्ड्स करेक्टली, मीन्स जब आपने कोई वर्ड आप यूज़ कर रहे हो देन यू हैव टू गिव सम pressure, you have to speak clearly, you have to give focus on that particular word so that your pronunciation become clear. So focus on fluency, pronunciation, and after that the content of the detailed lecture. Next, use connectors in a template. Means आपने जो टैम्पलेट यूज़ करना है उसमें जो कनेक्टर्स हैं वो सेम यूज़ नहीं करने हैं, बिकॉज सम टाइम क्या होता है कि यू विल गेट द टैम्पलेट फ्रॉम द गूगल, बिकॉज यू विल गूगल इट और यू विल यूज़ द यूट्यूब्स. सो वहाँ पे जो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है वो रेलिवेंट नहीं होती. तो सम टाइम वी चूज़ द टैम्पलेट इन विच वी आर यूजिंग द सेम कनेक्टर्स अगेन एंड अगेन. सो अवॉइड दीज टाइप ऑफ टैम्पलेट्स एंड ऑलवेज चूज अ गुड टैम्पलेट टू गेट अ गुड स्कोर. सो this is my template. So first you have make sure कि you include 5 phrases in the template. Means आपने at least 5 phrases को include करना है. I will show you example कि how you can use the phrases and what are the phrases, because sometimes student got confused कि मैम phrase क्या होता है और keyword क्या होता है. So how you can differentiate between the keywords and the phrases. So जब भी आपकी fluency की बात आती है तो fluency तभी बनती है जब आप phrases को choose करते हो. So here these are the lines of the template. So the first line is the speaker was discussing. Now I am not mentioning here the speaker is he or she. So just the first line is the speaker was discussing, after that the title of the lecture. So if you are able to find out the title of the lecture, means कि जो स्पीकर है, जो ऑडियो है, वो किस चीज़ के बेस्ड है, उसका जो मेन पॉइंट है, जो मेन मोटिव है, मेन हेडिंग है, वो कौन सा है. इफ़ यू आर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द टॉपिक ऑफ द लेक्चर देन इट्स वेल एंड गुड, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द टाइटल ऑफ लेक्चर देन यू कैन imagine, you can understand जो भी आपको समझ आ रहा है, then you can speak that word. So you have used 2 words to mention the title of the lecture. So after that he she talked about. So ये template ये नहीं है कि आपने he ही use करना है या she ही use करना है. So if the audio is from the he, then you will mention here he, but if the audio is of the female, then you will speak she. So you have to choose he or she, because if the human expert is going to check your response, then he can mention this point, he she can mention this point. But if the AI is going to check your response, then there is no meaning to AI ki you are using he or she. So in now from 4th of November you can interchange it. If the audio is of the he, then you will choose he. If the audio is from the she, then you will choose she. So next is talk about. So here it is talked about. With talked we can't use that. Remember this point. So if we are using template, then he she talked about. So for example, I am getting an audio from the male voice, so I will use he. So he talked about. We will not use with talked that. So here it is the phrase 1. Means you will choose 3 to 4 words collectively. After that, he discussed that. We can't use about with that, so we will use here that. So first connector is talked. Now next is discussed. So this is the phrase number 2. Next is he mentioned that. So with mentioned we always use that, and here it is phrase number 3. Next is he highlighted that. So this is the next connector and we will use that with this connector, and here it is phrase number 4. Next is he explained that. So again with explained we use that, and here it is phrase number 5. Now the last line we always used, even I used, that is overall the lecture was very informative. So try to avoid that kind of lines, because everybody will speak in the image also ki overall the image was very informative, overall the lecture was very informative. So don't use these kind of lines, because everybody will speak this line and AI can mention it. So AI can mark it कि you are using the same line, because everybody will use this line at the end. So instead of the last line you can use it overall the speaker provided information about. So if you are able to write down the last phrase then it's good, but if you are not able to write down the last phrase then can use the second or the last third line of the speaker audio. So this is the last line. You will not say कि overall the lecture was very informative. You will always say overall the speaker provided information about. Second last line, last third line, जो भी आपको समझ आ रहा है, you can mention that point in the end. So this is the template and this is the example. So this is the example from AP Uni. You will see this example on the page number 1 of the November prediction, and it's on the software. So the main topic of the lecture was the software. Now the first line is the speaker was discussing software, because if you are able to understand the audio कि this is the main topic, then you can mention here. But if you are not able to understand, then you can create your own also, because it should be relevant to your content, it should be relevant to your audio. So you can choose, you can interchange it. If you can, then it's good, but if you can't do it, then you can change it. Next is he talked about. So he, जो black lines है, the words in the black color is the template and the words in the red color is the phrases. So I choose the next phrase is the history of software. So it is as it is. If you will see the transcript of the software, then you can easily see the history of software. Next is he discussed that. This is the template and it is a major new technology. So major new technology is from the audio. Next he mentioned that the power of computing. So this is the frame from the audio. Next is he highlighted that the cost of computing. So this is the phrase from the audio. Next is he explained that all sorts of areas of life. So he explained that is the template, all sorts of areas of life is the phrase from the audio. Next is overall the speaker provided information about development of software and the information technology. So if you are not able to write the information technology, then you can also write the development of the software. Means phrase का क्या मतलब होता है कि you should include 3 to 4 words collectively. So mostly जो problem आती है, जो मेरे पास students आते हैं, उनको retail lecture में problem क्या होती है कि first they are not able to hear the audio. But it will not happen in one day. When you will practice again and again, then you can do it, but you have to write clearly. Because क्या होता है कि पहले क्या होता है कि आपको ऑडियो सुनती नहीं है, बट जब सुनने लगती है तो आप जो लिखते हो आपको वो समझ नहीं आता है. सो पहले आपने ये चीज़ क्लियर करनी है कि आपने जो लिखना है आपको क्लियरली लिखा, क्लियर होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद आपको टेम्पलेट लर्न होना चाहिए ताकि आपकी जो फ्लुएंसी है वो मैच कर सके. बिकॉज जो टेम्पलेट है वो याद है तो देन यू विल स्पीक फ्लुएंटली, बट व्हेन यू विल फिट द कीवर्ड्स इन द टेम्पलेट देन यू गॉट फंबल एंड you will lose your marks in the fluency. So focus on your fluency as well. So write clearly, because you will get only 8 seconds. After once the audio will over, you will get 8 seconds for the preparation and you will hear a beep sound. After that you can speak. So remember this point, always write clearly, learn your template clearly and match your fluency. Don't go too fast and too low, because जब आप यहाँ पे होते हो तो आप बहुत फास्ट होते हो, बट व्हेन यू विल फिट द फ्रेजेस देन आप बहुत स्लो हो जाते हो. सो स्लो नहीं होना, फंबल नहीं होना, फ्लुएंसी पे फोकस करना है और आपने वो वर्ड्स नहीं बोलने जो आप नहीं बोल सकते, बिकॉज सारे स्टूडेंट्स का जो लेवल होता है वो सेम नहीं होता. सो अगर आपको लगता है कि यू आर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी इन प्रोनाउंसिंग सम पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स, देन डोंट यूज दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स in your templates. So this is all from my side. So if you have any queries, any suggestions and you want to discuss with me, then it's free of cost. You can write in the comment box, but do subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends also. And thank you so much for liking my videos and for sharing my videos. Thank you so much.